Here's the Renault Espace from 2010, and lately it's beeping. It's beeping, and currently I can't even start the engine. If I press the button, it says in French that I have to insert the card. So the engine is not starting. I'm pressing the brake and pressing the start button, plus that one is flashing. I removed the battery and I have to insert a new one. So this battery CR2025 is giving below 3 volts. It's giving 2.80 something volts. Let's just measure it. So if it's beeping, you have to replace the battery. .8, so it's below 3 volts, 2.88 volts. So don't use that one, but use a different battery. The battery is not yet inserted. That red LED is flashing there. It's flashing quickly. I press the start button and it's asking me to insert the card. By the way, you can start the engine even without the battery. So the battery and the key are removed. They are here. You can insert it there. And now if I press the start button, press it again. So you can start the car without the battery, you just have to insert the card there. And if it's beeping, it was beeping a lot, then you have to replace the battery. Automatic lights are off. The oil level is fine. And the autonomy of the car. That's how much fuel we have. So it's not saying anything yet. Let's open the door. Yes, it's beeping. So the card is not detected because there is no battery in it, and it's not inserted either. Carte, detectee, something like that. So that's in French. I open the door, it's beeping. So if it's beeping, you need to insert a new battery. It's this one. By the way, so it's CR2025 is mentioned here, and this is the plus side. Plus is visible here, and that's the negative side. And you have to insert it with the negative side up. Insert it there. Now if I open the door, now it's not beeping anymore. See? Let's remove that battery if I can. It's not easy. The battery is removed. Now if I open the door, now it should beep. Yes, it's beeping. So if it's beeping, put the battery in it, CR2025, and the voltage must be above 3 volts, otherwise it's going to beep. Now you don't need to insert it there, you can leave it anywhere inside the car, and it should not beep if the door of the driver is opened. And it's still beeping. Oh, that's funny. The card is inserted. Door is open. Once again. It's not beeping. I remove that one. Open the door. No, it's not beeping. Whatever.